In this video, I'll show you how to retouch skin in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to File, Open and select the image and open this one in Photoshop. So here is the background layer. Click on this and press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer and change the layer name to Basic. Now take the spot healing brush tool from here. Now you can adjust the brush size using bracket keys. Try to keep the brush size as small as possible. Now zoom in using Ctrl plus and just make a click over the dark spot. This will be gone. So try to remove the dark spot as much as you can. You don't need to remove all the dark spot because we will remove them in next step. So this is before and this is after. So now let's make this image a little bit brighten. So select the basic layer and go to Image, Adjustment and Exposure. Now add quite a bit of exposure, 0.2. That's enough. Hit OK. Select the basic layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate this, and this time change the layer name to Advanced. Now select the advanced layer and press Ctrl I to invert this and change the blend mode normal to vivid light. Now go to Filter, Other, High Pass. So try to give different value and see the results. So for this particular image, 30 is good. Hit OK. Now click on Filter again and this time choose Blur, Gaussian Blur. Experiment with different value. For this image, 4 is great. Hit OK. Now we will apply a negative layer mask to this layer. Select on Advanced Layer and scroll down and hold on Alt and add a layer mask. Now everything is hide. Now grab the brush tool from here and make sure that your foreground color set to the white. Now you can increase or decrease the brush size using bracket keys. Now zoom in and start painting with white color. Magic. Now don't brush over the lips, eyes and hair. Now see the before and after. Before and after. So now let's go ahead and create a new layer and solid color layer, and choose red color and change the blend mode to multiply and change the layer name to lips color, and click on this marks thumbnail here and press Ctrl I to invert this. Now take the brush, make sure that your foreground color set to the white, and start brush over the lips, and decrease the flow around 10%, 20%, and first make the outline first. Now increase the flow 100% again and start painting rest of the part. So it's done, but it's not look like realistic. So how to make this realistic? Right click of this layer and select blending option, and here you can find the option this called blend if. Now take this slider to right to left and hold all to split them, and take this slider to the right left. Now this will create this like realistic. See? Now you can change the lips color anytime you want. Double click on it and change the color like this. Real time. You can see the differences in real time. So I think red is great. Dark red. So if you think it's too much, you can always decrease the opacity. So this is the hold on alt and see the before and after. Before and after. A lot of improvement. So that's all. I hope that you would enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe